Namaste culinary explorers. Join us today as we craft an exquisite Thandai featuring the wholesome richness of Brazil nuts, cashews, raisins and pistachios. To make the masala, rinse and drain the soaked Brazil nuts, cashews and raisins. Blend these soaked items with whole peppercorns, fennel seeds and ground cardamom into a smooth paste. Warm a mix of coconut milk and water. As it comes to a boil, add saffron threads and the nut paste, stirring thoroughly. Allow the mixture to sit for an hour, then refrigerate it overnight to let the flavors fully develop. Finally, strain the Thandai and garnish with ground pistachios before serving. Our Thandai with Brazil nuts and cashews is ready. Relish this aromatic, nutrient-rich beverage perfect for any celebration. Don't forget to follow for more nutty delights.